What is up, guys? The godfather of computational photography is back, and while it might look familiar on the outside, what's happening inside that camera bump is potentially revolutionary. Let's break down the leaks, the official samples, and the massive gamble Xiaomi is taking with the 17 Ultra. First off, the design. If you love the look going back to the 12S Ultra, you're in luck. The 17 Ultra maintains that massive circular camera deco, thankfully skipping the weird plateau design of the 17 Pro Duo. Word on the grapevine is that we are finally getting a completely flat display paired with comfortable rounded edges. Spec-wise, the chassis is supposedly 0.31 inches thick, 3.06 inches wide, about the same as the Pro Max, and weighs in at 8 ounces. You can expect it in black, white, a rumored violet, and this green color we've seen in leaks. But here's the thing, that round camera housing actually appears a tad smaller than last year's 15 Ultra. Why? Because Xiaomi dropped a lens. The 17 Ultra is ditching the dual zoom setup for something much more ambitious. But first, the main camera. It's a new 1-inch Omnivision OV50X sensor. It uses LOFIC technology for significantly higher dynamic range than the LYT900 in its predecessor. Xiaomi shared this first official sample. It's got an f1.67 aperture, and in typical Leica fashion, it's not artificially brightening the dark areas. It looks incredibly natural. But the real headline is the telephoto. Leaked screenshots of the camera app and marketing material confirm that Xiaomi and Leica have developed a true continuous optical zoom system. It covers focal lengths between 3x (70mm) and 4.3x (100mm). It's similar to what Sony does, but on steroids. This is based on a significantly larger 200-megapixel sensor, specifically the 1/1.4-inch ISO cell HPE. That is a massive upgrade in sensor size compared to the tiny IMX8588 used before. The catch? The variable aperture changes from f2.2 at 70mm to f2.9 at 100mm, which is a slight downgrade from the predecessor. Also, one potential downside of this new zoom mechanism is the apparent loss of the telemacro function. Xiaomi bosses showed off the sheer size of this new periscope module with APO Leica optics compared to the old one. It is substantially more expensive to build. And that leads us to the bad news. Both Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun and Lu Weibing have explicitly confirmed that a significant price increase for the 17 Ultra is inevitable. This isn't just due to rising memory prices. These new massive camera components cost a lot more to make. To power all this, at least the Chinese version will pack a massive 6800 mAh battery with 100-watt wired and wireless charging. So, Xiaomi is giving us a flat screen, a massive battery, and potentially the most advanced zoom system ever put on a phone. But you are going to pay a premium for it. The official China launch is likely just days away, right around Christmas. But what do you guys think? Is a true optical zoom worth losing a lens and paying a higher price? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.